Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change or add tattoos on your superstar in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just select the option superstar, then go to custom superstar and choose the superstar where you would love to change tattoos or add tattoos. Select the option edit superstar here. In order to add or change tattoos, we need to go to the option attire, select the character and select option edit attire again. Here we need to go to appearance and choose where you wanna add tattoos on upper body or lower body. In my case I wanna go to upper body, and once you select that, just scroll all the way down and you're gonna see the option for tattoos. Like you can add tattoos up in upper body on 4 parts, like either you can go for torso, back, left or right arm. So let's say I wanna change this one, so I can select this tattoo and able to change it like this. Okay, and I can just select that and the tattoo will be changed if I accept this. Yeah, you can see the tattoo is now changed. Let's say you want to remove it, so for that just press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation, and that way the tattoo will be removed from your body. Now let's say this time I want to add tattoo on my left arm, so for that I need to select left arm here and select body tattoo option and just choose the one you like. Okay, this one looking cool, so I'll just select this, and even you can change the color if you like, but I guess black would look sick, so I'll just select that and accept this. And yep, you can see the tattoo is now changed. So just save the changes. You can go for lower body as well, go to the bottom and choose the option, let's say body tattoo left leg, and I guess I'm gonna choose this one this time. And yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to change or add tattoos on your superstar in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.